I do not like to record myself either, but I really like to use videos. I've done some for my Canvas account because I find that it really helps parents. I have one that shows them how their student needs to do my discussions in my class so they understand. I've done some in there for students that are going to be absent because it makes it so much easier than having to go in and do an extra lesson when they come back. That way they can just go on Canvas and watch what you do and they'll be able to do it. It's coming really handy. I want to use it more. I haven't been really good about it. I also like using videos for the kids to film each other and then they submit things that way on Canvas also. But I really like videos. I just do not like to be in them. That is it.